Hi kids, let's learn to read together with Read Little Mind Read. Lad and the Fat Cat. Today we'll focus on the alphabets L. Lamp. K. Kite. And X. Box. X. Lad had a fat cat. The cat is kit. Kit sat in a box. Now come on, you can read that first word for me. That's right. Lad sat on a keg. Dash had a nap. Can you fill in the first word for me? Good job. Lad had a nap. All right, can you read the first word for me? It starts with Kit sat in the. That's right. Box. Now you should be able to read the sentence. Do you want to try it? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Well tried. Lad did nap a lot. Now let's try to read this one together. Get up, lad. Get up, Kit. Try and read the first word for me. Good job. Kit has 6 cats. Whoa! The end. Now I hope you had fun reading and you need to continue to practice. But please like, share and subscribe if you want to read together